Most important thing you need to have if you want to make real money online. Henry Ford once said, "A man who stops advertising and who stops the clock to save time." Being able to drive traffic to your offers through effective advertising is the lifeblood of any business online. But it isn't easy, and it sure isn't going to get any more affordable. Take, for example, Google AdWords. The average cost per click across all industries is $2.69. That number is even higher in the make money online niche. Let's take a look at these other social media networks. Facebook is 97 cents per click. You can go ahead and double that for the make money online niche. Instagram, $3.56 per click. LinkedIn, $5.26. That's crazy. I think you get my point. Advertising on the net is expensive and it's not going to get any cheaper. So now that you know this, let me show you how to take advantage of real buyer traffic delivered to you on autopilot every single month for just mere pennies. Here's how easy it is to get started with the Click Engine. Step 1, become a member of the Click Engine. Step 2, submit the link that you'd like us to send buyer traffic to. Step 3, we'll add your link into the Click Engine Rotator with other Click Engine members. Step 4, one email every single day will be sent from our email service and reach hundreds, soon to be thousands of other Click Engine members. When other members click, your link will share in the traffic. And that's it. You sit back and get non-incentivized buyer clicks to your offer every single month without fail. And check this out. There are new Click Engine members joining every single day, meaning that your offer will always have fresh buyers interested in what you're up to. Now, the beauty of the Click Engine is its simplicity. No sites to log into, no ad copy to worry about, no trying to remember when to send emails or place advertisements, no setting up PPC ads or banner ads, none of that. In fact, after you get it set up, there is nothing you have to do at all. Just sit back and watch the buyer clicks hit your links every single month. Considering the amount of new buyers joining the Click Engine daily, the super high quality of every single click that will be delivered, and the set and forget functionality of the Click Engine, I could probably charge at least, and I should charge at least $30 per month. It would be worth every penny of that and more, and I do plan on raising the price in the future. But right now, while the Click Engine is still a new service, I'm going to lower the price all the way down to $4.90. Because you're watching this video and seeing this price, you'll be grandfathered in at $4.90 forever, even when the price increases in the future. Shoot, you can't even get 2 clicks on Google AdWords for $4.90. And with Google AdWords, you have no idea if the person who clicks on your link will be a freebie seeker or a serious buyer. Meanwhile, with the Click Engine, every click is from a serious buyer. I think you can agree the value here is off the charts, so it's time to make a choice. You have nothing to lose here. If you're not 110% satisfied with the traffic you're getting, you can cancel at any time. So what's it going to be? Option number 1, you invest $4.90 for a service that sends you real buyers traffic on a daily basis. Or option number 2, pass this opportunity up and have to pay way more later when you see the Click Engine service blowing up all over the web. If it's option number 1, I can't wait to get you set up in the Click Engine so you can start getting results as soon as possible. I'll see you inside. Customers who have come in and gotten great results with the traffic that we are generating for them. And here is just another case, an email I received from a customer. As you can see here, on November 3rd, it said, "Hey, hi Jack, did those sales come from the Click Engine?" And Jack replied, "They had to. I just switched Lead Sleep, that's a hit tracker, from HomeBiz, this morning, and there were 0 hits yesterday, and the sales were from yesterday.